Hi campers, I'm Brian with RVMP, and today we're going to briefly talk about the Flex Power dual fuel 5500i inverter generator. We couldn't be more excited about the performance and functionality of this product. Just kind of some overall features. We're nested in our mounting rack here, which takes advantage of the vibration isolators if you're mounting in a motorized situation and it's hanging. We can also turn this upside down and drop these angle iron pieces and use it as a rack that the unit can cradle in where the bolt patterns all match up. A couple of features on the overall size of this unit. This unit, compared to our competitors, is 4 inches shorter here. We've taken 3 inches out of the top and 3 inches out of the width. We've also shaved 120 pounds out of this unit. Being an inverter generator, we gain many benefits out of that. One, we're going to run at variable speeds, so that's going to increase our fuel efficiencies. At base load, we're 50% more fuel efficient. At half load, 40% more efficient. And then if you're really maximizing the unit, upwards of still 20% over our competition. Running at the variable speed is going to also decrease sound. We're about 30% quieter than our competitors. And one of the other nice features of the inverter generator is the clean energy that it puts out. Total distortion, harmonic distortion, is less than 3% versus 17 or upwards versus competing brands. So some of the other features that we wanted to point out briefly here, inside the unit, you'll see that this is set up for 50 amp service. We've got a 20 amp breaker and a 30 amp breaker. Inside to the right, we've got a fuel selection lever here where we can switch between propane and gasoline on the fly, which is a great feature to have if you're plumb for both. We've also added a recoil start in the unit, so in emergency situations where your battery may be dead, you can fire the generator up with that. Reset button, gas primer button, LED indicators for performance as well as low oil indicators, and then an hour meter that also is going to show you time in use at that moment, combined historical moment, and then also voltage and amperage outputs. On-off start, push button start, the unit will self-prime and then engage in its starting sequence and get up and running. Here we've got our output leads. Green is ground, and then we have the red and white larger wires, red being hot, white being your neutral. For the 30 amp leg, and on the 20 amp leg, we've got black and gray, black being hot and the gray being your neutral. This communication port here will allow you to start the coach from inside or from a remote wiring harness and remote start hour counter. We have those available, but if you have something existing already pre-wired or set up in your coach that's gen prepped, this unit will connect with those, and wiring and matching those up through the pinout diagrams and other connections, we can use the existing infrastructure that's in there. Speaking of the dual fuel side, we're already set up for both propane here, gasoline here, and if you've got an evap canister set up on a toy hauler, fifth wheel that's already prepped that way, this can capture in the evap canister, otherwise it functions as an overflow. Again, couldn't be more excited about this product and bringing it to market. We're seeing all kinds of applications in the RV, fifth wheel, travel trailer markets, as well as auxiliary, off-grid, backup power scenarios, security cameras, telecom and mobile fiber optic splicing trailers. So very versatile product, not only in its functionality and its performance and its dual fuel, but in all kinds of applications. We're really excited to have this to the market, and we hope you'll follow us at rvmp.co. Any questions, please call 855-HAPPY-RV. And thanks for listening. Have a great day and happy camping.